And welcome back. So as typical, we got that surge of warm air before a major snow system makes its way through. Not really going to hit us head on unless you're into the northern sandhills up toward the South Dakota border, but most of us will get some snow from this one. We had an increase in the clouds today as mostly clear skies turned mostly cloudy. We stayed mostly cloudy through the day, but mainly dry in North Platte. Here's a look at the high temperatures. We did make it up to 51 at North Platte and Lexington, 48 at Imperial, 43 at Thetford and Broken Bow, and lower 40s at Valentine and Ogallala. We still stayed mild with the cloud cover and a little more of a westerly wind through most of the evening. So from Ogallala, Broken Bow, Imperial, Lexington, and North Platte into the upper 30s to near 40 right now. It gets cooler as you make your way into the Sandhills with Thetford and Hyannis near 20, and Valentine, the cold air definitely up in that direction with a temperature only near 11 degrees right now. But the wind in most places now has flipped around to a northerly direction, and that means that cooler air from the Arctic is starting to filter in for most of us. Wind speeds also starting to pick up. Notice in the Sandhills around 15 to 25 miles per hour. That's going to be the story for all of us as we go through the next few hours. So from North Platte, points off to the south and east. In the blue, winter weather advisory as you make your way from Ogallala and Stapleton up to the north. That's a winter storm warning for heavier snow. These do go into effect at midnight Central Time and last all the way until Thursday at 6 a.m. Central Time. As for the Doppler radar, we do have some rain showers out toward Ogallala. Looks like most everybody is turning over to snow as of right now. Some moderate to heavy snow from Arthur, Hyannis, Mullen points off to the north. Some snow showers near Valentine, and mainly cloudy skies most everywhere else. As we make our way through the rest of the evening and overnight, that should start to fill in for most of us. This low pressure system will move off to our south briefly and then work its way up to the east. We did have the warm air with that southerly wind for the day today. This low pressure system will eventually make its way into the Midwest. On the northern and western side, the cool side, that's where it's going to dump most of its snow, followed by almost a direct flow from the Arctic as a cold blast will work its way in as we go through midweek. As for snowfall potential, well, for most of us from the I-80 corridor and points off to the south, it looks like 1 to 3 inches. As you get closer to this darker blue line, there could be some isolated 3 to 4 inch amounts, and that does include possibly the North Platte area if it does set up in the right place, but most of the moisture in the 3 to 9 inch range out toward Arthur, Hyannis, Mullen, Purdom, and Valentine could get closer to a foot of snow from this through your Thursday morning. So let's take a look at the skycast. Now, most of the moisture is going to stay into the Sandhills through the overnight. Very strong northerly wind. High temperatures in the morning, they're going to be near 15 degrees with temperatures falling throughout the day. In the late morning, one band of snow might hit the I-80 corridor. It's still going strong into the Sandhills up toward the South Dakota border. We think most of the I-80 corridor is going to pick up its snow tomorrow evening before it quickly exits and temperatures fall back to sub-zero for overnight lows and rebound to only near 10 degrees for your Thursday. Here's what it looks like on the map. So this low is exiting, moving into the Midwest with the snow behind it. There's your cold air that's going to be with us through Friday when we're into the mid-20s, and then high pressure will move off, give us more sunshine with rising temperatures as we go through the weekend. Another high is right behind that. After we get past this event, no more real cold airs. We're quickly back into the 40s. So 15 tomorrow with that snow moving through, 10 on Thursday, but mostly sunny, and 26 on Friday. Then mostly sunny Saturday up to 46 and 48 on Sunday with just a chance of showers in the evening. Back to a lot of sunshine. Could be a little windy on Monday, a high of 45, and up to 47 with sunshine for the day on Tuesday. Kent?
All right. Thank you so much, Justin. And the nation's only farmer and rancher-owned radio association is expanding its footprint. The Nebraska